In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the screenshot feature in Microsoft Word. This built-in tool allows you to quickly capture and insert images of open windows directly into your document, saving you time and making your workflow more efficient. It's especially useful when creating tutorials, reports, or instructional guides. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and make sure the window you want to capture is also open in the background. This is important because Word can only take screenshots of currently open windows. Once everything is ready, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the Insert tab, look for the option labeled Screenshot. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear showing thumbnails of all the open windows available on your computer. Simply click on the window you want to capture, and Word will automatically insert a full screenshot of that window into your document. If you don't want to capture the entire window, you can use the screen clipping option instead. Click on Screenshot again, then select Screen Clipping. Your screen will briefly fade, and you'll be able to click and drag your mouse to select a specific portion of the screen. Once you release the mouse, the selected area will be inserted directly into your document. After inserting the screenshot, you can resize and reposition it just like any other image. Click on the image to activate the Picture Format tab, where you can apply styles, crop the image, or adjust brightness and contrast. These tools help you refine the screenshot so it fits perfectly within your document. Keep in mind that the screenshot feature works best when your windows are clearly visible and not minimized. If a window does not appear in the list, make sure it is open and accessible, and that's it. You now know how to use the screenshot feature in Microsoft Word to quickly capture and insert images into your documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.